Hello everyone, today we are here in Mukono district at Salama School for the Blind. We are here as MTN Uganda together with the MTN Foundation as a response to a request that we received from the Ministry of Education and Sports. Last year this school experienced tragedy when the dormitory was banned. We have made a commitment today that we'll see the dormitory built, furniture provided, as well as safety and firefighting equipment provided, and then also we'll also build caretaker facilities for those who will be watching over the children. Today is a groundbreaking ceremony, and we hope to be back here in 3 months to actually witness the official opening of the dormitory. In MTN, we believe that together we are unstoppable, and we continue to count on all of you together with the community to make a difference in the lives of all these children. Everybody deserves the benefits of a modern connected life. Even these children deserve the benefits of digitization. So we hope with this contribution that we are going to make today, we'll ensure that they also don't get left behind. Remember, we are good together, and together we are unstoppable.